Starseed Airsoft.
RC Airsoft?
Starseed.
Oh, Starseed.
Like a star and a seed in the ground.
Am I gonna be in a video?
Possibly.
Well, buddy, you definitely made this video. And we're back at Ambush Field with a new gameplay video. What's up, people? It's been a break for a while, a little hibernation break, but we're back, and today we are doing a small 10-on-10 in the small area of the center of the city, and no one can pass the 50. There is a way to approach on the right side through the trailers, but since we cannot cross the 50, we just have to have a small firefight.
Can't go past this.
That's clear to hell.
That sucks, so we all have to go in the same area. He's down.
Down.
Watch the right flank.
Yeah, my blood marker was a little late on this one. I actually got hit right about here, and it definitely came from where there was no players allowed. 2 refs over there, I don't understand it, but I got hit, so let's do it again.
He's down.
Down.
Got him. Tango down. One guy's dead in there. There might be a medic with him. Be careful.
There?
Yes, sir. I caught one of them. I'm not dead.
Yes, sir.
Good ship.
There's one over there. There's one.
Cover and move up. I got that doorway.
There's one coming up over here.
Whoa. He's got an angle.
Is that entrance past 50?
Do we have any medics in the house?
Yeah, we're here. I hear. This is very good.
Grenade! That was a... Woo! Gun hit!
You gotta see two grenades in there.
He's right there.
Right on this one.
Yep.
That's the one. That's a weird ass angle. We're not.
Can't get that angle.
Yeah, I want to go around. I'm not.
They're all in this side, all the way at the end. Hit. Huh? Right there, don't. He's right there in the window, right across. In the dark window, at the very corner of it. All I did is peek and I got hit. Down. Sorry about that. Sorry. I thought he was serious. I'm like, what? Got him. Another one. Yep, I shot that guy. Get ready, they're gonna cross the 50. Reload.
Watch him, Bezos.
Oh shit. He's in that high window.
Really had an amazing time at Ambush Field. Hope you guys, if you ever get a chance to visit, it is an amazing field with great people and great staff. Well, that's the end of this one, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. And please stay tuned for the next gameplay video coming soon from Ambush Field.
Let's go.